So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can enable passcode in Trust Wallet. So guys, if you're new and you don't know how to do that, then this video is for you. All you need to do is look up at the secure icon on the top left corner, and once you go there, just scroll down till you find this option that has security in it. Now you can find even more options like security scanner, passcode, and third-party requests. So we just need to go ahead and turn this passcode button on. Now guys, just select a strong password and write it down again to confirm it. And now you can even find more options like auto lock and how immediate you want the app to be. And now you can also find this lock method over here, the transaction signing, and many options. So guys, that's how you enable passcode, and it's helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.